Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will review our Peppa Pig's Playhouse. It comes with 3 floors and an attic at the top. We'll start with the first floor, and we have our living room here with Grandpa Pig. This doesn't come with the house, but I'll show you what it comes with. It comes with a little couch, a little window, and I'll show you the features that it has. It comes with the muddy puddle, so Peppa Pig actually jumps in here and it talks. So when somebody rings the doorbell, coming. And then this little lamp right here in the back, it lights up.
Good night, my little piggies.
And when the little piggies, Peppa Pig and George, go to sleep, it tells them.
Hello. Good night, my little piggies.
And this is the muddy puddle. So.
If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Yippee! This is how you jump in muddy puddles.
So cute. And this is the kitchen with the little tables. And it comes with a table and a little standard piece with fruit in it. And some chairs, 2 chairs. This is the fridge that it comes with. Food inside. So adorable. And the second floor is the restroom. The bathroom comes with the little bathtub. And then comes with a little toilet seat. And then the Peppa Pig and George bedroom comes with 2 bedrooms, 2 beds, and a little window so they can sleep in it. The third floor comes with Mommy and Daddy Pig's bedroom. It comes with this queen size bedroom, and Mommy Pig sleeps. A little 2 windows like this one, and a little vanity counter drawer. So cute. And it comes with a little computer room. Has a computer, a little keyboard, and a little mouse, and a little computer chair. And lastly, the third floor, which is the attic. Not the third floor, sorry. The 4th floor, which is the attic. And then you can get these stairs down, or they can go up. You can go down, and Peppa Pig and go up the stairs and into the attic. And in this attic, you can open the roof, guys. You can open the roof, the little window. And it comes with this telescope, guys. It moves up and down, so Peppa Pig can look up at the stars. And it closes down too. So amazing. So I'll show you guys around the house so you can know. This is the door. You can open. Okay, you want to open it? You can open it and close it. Lisa, she's gonna open it for you guys. That's not how you open it, but okay. And you can close it. Close it. And this is around the house. Little roof window. Yeah, guys. This is the Peppa Pig house. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you want to buy this, you can buy this at Amazon, eBay, Target, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. So make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So in the future, you can see more toy reviews from the Laces Dream Toys. Hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.